Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, November the 25th, 2020. We have here Sudoku number 1 with 1 star, Sudoku number 2 with 2 stars, Sudoku number 3 with 3 stars, Sudoku number 4 with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. And I will start with the Sudoku with 3 stars. I won't do them all. This 8 extra Sudokus, I only do half of them. Sudoku with 3 stars I will do. Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do. The first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 1934, I believe. Yes, let me check this. Yes, it's 4. Alright. Oh, almost bumped the camera. Apologies. Need to position the camera correctly. Alright. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 6 is 24. No, 25. Correction, 25. 19 plus 6 is 25. Correct. 25 printed digits. So let's get started. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. Is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in this box. So 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 9. No, 9 we have 2, and the 3 are missing. 2 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me see. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. We have a pair here. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5 in this row and the middle row. So in the row below, the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then seven, 5, 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place for a 6 should be there. Then how about these 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers here in this big square. The 2 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 279. 279. 279. That means we have a 2 in one of those. Well, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, a 2 in the last row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 279, that means the other 3 should be 279, should be the 3, the 4, 279, 3, 4, and the 8, 348, 348, 348, 348, 348, 348. So the other 2 numbers in this big square, 348, should be the 7 and the 3. No, 348, 348, 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. The numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 173. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. Let me mark those boxes. It's a pair, it's a pair. 5, 6, 6. No. 8, 8. Let me think. Yes, in this big square. No. In this big square. 8 in this column. 8 in that column, so the middle column. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. A 3 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same story with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. As a pair with the 3, 3, 8. That means those 2 other boxes in the middle row should be the 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 3, 3, yes. How about 9, 9? 1, 1, 1. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Let me mark those numbers. I cannot fill this yet, need more information. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Here in this big square we have 1 box also left for the number 9. Let me see. Then how about these 2 boxes in this column? Those numbers are the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. The numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for an 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 3. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright, 1 number left in this third row for the number 5. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, the only place for a 3 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 7. One number left in this row, the first row, for the number 5. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.